Welcome! In this lesson, we will build an intuitive understanding of Python's arithmetic operators, how they behave mathematically, and we will see quick examples for each. First, addition. The plus operator adds numbers. For example, 7 plus 5 equals 12. Let's visualize 7 plus 5 on a number line. Start at 0 and move 7 to the right. From 7, move 5 more to the right. We land at 12. Subtraction. The minus operator subtracts the right number from the left. For example, 10 minus 6 equals 4. On a number line, start at 10 and move left 6. You end at 4. Multiplication. The star operator multiplies two numbers. Think of it as groups or arrays. For times 3 means 4 rows of 3. That makes 12 objects in total. True division. The forward slash divides and returns a decimal value called a float. 7 divided by 2 equals 3.5. 8 divided by 4 equals 2.0. Floor division. The double slash divides and rounds down to the nearest integer, down meaning toward negative infinity. 7 double slash 2 equals 3. But negative 7 double slash 2 equals negative 4, not negative 3, because we floor to the left on the number line. Let's see that with a pointer at negative 3.5. Modulus. The percent operator gives the remainder after division. 7% 2 equals 1, because 7 equals 3 times 2 plus 1. 10% 4 equals 2, because 10 equals 2 times 4 plus 2. Exponentiation. The double star raises a number to a power. 2 star star 3 means 2 to the third power, which is 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. 9 star star 0.5 is 9 to the 1/2, the square root of 9, which is 3. Operator precedence is the order in which operations are evaluated. The order is parentheses first, then exponentiation, then multiplication, true division, floor division, and modulus, and finally addition and subtraction. Consider 2 plus 3 times 4. Multiplication happens first. So it's 2 plus 12, which equals 14. But with parentheses, open parenthesis 2 plus 3 close parenthesis times 4, we get 5 times 4, which equals 20. You can quickly verify all of these in Python. Here is a single print line that shows each result. And here is the output you should see. Great work! Now you know how Python's arithmetic operators line up with math, and you have a visual and intuitive understanding to go with the code. Experiment with your own numbers to build fluency.